This is a new path, a new route of love. And my brothers, sisters, this path is not all hugs. You need to be flexible and open to digging through mud. Because in truth, these bodies are not who we really are. They're like divine vehicles, avatars, for us to go really far, farther than any could see. We are farther than what any could be, so I free, I spreading my wings. This is a new soul song I bring, while I keep drilling forward. I'm a trailblazer. I excavate my path for movement further. It's not concrete or dredged up with mortar. It's dense energy that requires divine remedies to dissolve. Hoping things will soon resolve, but I tell you this is for life. Eternal living is why I am forever digging to get I out tonight. Because we are not truly free, and until then, I'm paving a path to heaven. The past is irrelevant, so I present the eternal present. Now, let's keep on ascending. I'm excavating through mountains, underground, tunnels, and fountains. No one has walked this way, but soon the way will lead to all of us saved. And I hope we can have a parade, calling them because these aren't just games. I'm delirious from the strain and pressure on the brain. But I can smell air just around the corner there, so be true and do you. The realest of the real come through when illusions of doom and cycles of gloom are dissolved like waterlogged pontoons. Not logs, these are stargates in the fog, been through mildew and still do what's right. I've lived beyond the walls of great ice. My soul has taken right flight. Now I'm flying through night with crystal headlights and soul sight. Light ships are equipped, so we wait in the port of celestial transport and angelically morph to our true forms. Rebirth, don't understand words like abort. What it was, it's my dreams that keep me at work. So soon I'll come forth and command the upper hand and demand the freedom, anti-gravity, hyperdrive still alive. Know your true worth, you are creator gods, not gator dogs. I mean Decatur bogs with later odds. Beginning to come first, my team's not come forth, but soon the somewhat handicapped, let's say, or downright not able to speak because of security protocols and that which I chose to be while in this body. So I have increased, integrated, and light of my dream will sheen. No more hard work.